Uh, so in this question, what was given to you that I went to the market having X rupees and Y paisa in my pocket, and I spent 3 rupees and 50 paisa in the market, and I was left with 2Y rupees and the 2X paisa. So the question says find the value of the X and Y. So here we need to look at the two things very carefully. So first let's try to discuss करते हैं कि सिंपल हम जो रुपए पैसा के केस में जो एडिशन होता है या जो सब्सट्रैक्शन होता है वो किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं. So let's take one example. So suppose if I had 8 rupees and 50 paisa in my pocket, और अगर मैंने 3 रुपए 20 पैसे खर्च कर दिए होते तो मेरे पास कितने पैसे बचे होते. It was very simple. 50 minus 20 that is 30 and 8 minus 3 that is 5. So इसका मतलब होता कि मेरे पास 5 रुपए और 20 पैसे बचे थे. लेकिन अगर सपोज करो मेरे पास 8 रुपए और 20 पैसे थे और मैंने 3 रुपए और 40 पैसे खर्च कर दिए थे तो मेरे पास कितने पैसे बचे होते. तो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल आई डू, I have to take a carry over. Why? Because this 20 is less than this 40. I cannot write 20 minus 40 minus 20 here. So I have to take a carry over. So the moment I take a carry over of 1 rupee, the 1 rupee will bring 100 paisa. So this 20 paisa would become 120 paisa, and this 8 would become 8 minus 1. Hope this is visible to you. So 120 minus 40, now it is 80. And here it is only 7 is left. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is 4 rupee and 50 paisa. So in this case, in both the cases, it was pretty visible that in this case we did not require the carry over, while in this case we required the carry over. And what was the reason? Because in the first case 50 was more than 20, and in the second case this 20 was lesser than this 40. So let's talk about this question. So here this y is given, the 50 is given. So we do not know whether the y is greater than 50 or it is less than 50. So we'll have to identify whether y is less than 50 or it is greater than 50. So let's try to identify. Okay. So this 2x, at the end of the day I was left with 2x paisa, and because this is paisa, so 2x has to be less than 100 because this is paisa. And now if 2x is less than 100, it means x is less than 50. So what does that mean? It means that when I went to the market, I was having maximum of 50 rupees in my pocket. मेरे पास 50 रुपए से ज़्यादा नहीं थे when I went to the market, because it is in fact 50 से भी कम थे ना, because x is less than 50. और वहाँ पर मैंने 3 रुपए खर्च कर दिए. So how much money should I left with? Maximum 47. Maximum 47. That is possible. It means 2y जो मेरे पास maximum पैसे बचेंगे, that is 2y. So 2y has to be less than 47. So if 2y is less than 47, it means y is less than 23.5. So if y is less than 23 or 24, it means now I am damn sure, क्योंकि वो 23 से छोटा है, 24 से भी छोटा है, तो I am damn sure वो 50 से भी छोटा होगा. It means y is 100%. Now I am sure that y is less than 50. And now if y is less than 50, then what does that mean? It means we will have to take a carry over. And the moment I take a carry over, now this side will become y plus 100, because 1 rupee will bring 100 paisa. And this x will become x minus 1. Okay, so now this y plus 100 is definitely more than 50. So now we can apply that rule. So now it becomes very easy to solve that question. So now the first equation would become y plus 100 minus 50 is equal to 2x. That's the first equation. And the second equation from this thing will become x minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we have got the two unknowns and the two equations which can be solved very easily. So hope you understood the concept. So this was the question of the day. As